This is Chapter 9, Review, and this is page 5. Chapter 9, Review, page 5. Name the type of symmetry for the figure, where if we look at the shape, can I draw a line going either vertically, horizontally, or the diagonal, where one side of it would look like the other side, like I folded a piece of paper. So on this one, if I draw a line vertically up and down, you can see this doesn't match that. So that won't work. If I draw it horizontally, same thing, this doesn't match that. If I draw it at a diagonal, these squares won't match up with these squares because this will be over here and these diagonals will be over here. So they won't match up. So we'll go to rotational. And if I rotate it where it starts like this, and I rotate it around 90 degrees, that doesn't look the same as I started. But if I rotate it 180, it looks the same as when I started here. So this is rotational for 180 degrees. Next one, as you can see, this one's flaring out. So if I rotate it, it won't look the same, but it does have reflective symmetry, which would be right down here. All right, next one, find the degrees of the rotation. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 360 divided by 10 will give me 36 degrees. And let me see. Find the degree of rotation. It's in the center. That maps label H to A. Well, here's H. Even though it kind of looks like a B. So remember, we go this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 36 times 7 and 42, carry my 4, 21, 25, 252 degrees is what I would have. To go from H, I'm taking this as the H to A. Identify, okay. So ABC, that's this one, this triangle, to JGH. JGH, this triangle. So if I reflect it over, see, find the reflective line, translation, vector, center of angle, rotation, or the glide vector, and reflective line. So if I reflect it over the y-axis, then reflect it over the y-axis, and then over the x-axis, and move it back a half a space. So back, so that's left, a half a space. Then I have a glide reflection. Yep. So reflect it over the y-axis, then reflect it over the x, and I'd have to move it back a half a space.